I need your help. What I have going on here is 4K, 30 frames per second, 1/60 shutter speed. The ISO is locked at 100. The white balance is 5500. And I'm trying to compare, the 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second. I'm using a ND16 filter in this clip right here. It's overcast. It's around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, you got some motion blur and whatnot, but this is how this looks. And then coming up right about now is 60 frames per second, 1/120 shutter speed. All the other settings are the same. I'm not sure if there's some compression going on with Facebook or whatnot, or YouTube, because I'll be uploading it there as well. But can you tell the difference? And which do you prefer? Which do you normally gravitate to for freestyle flying or even cinematic at that? Just really would appreciate your input and what settings you guys often gravitate to, or your go-to settings. And this one's using an ND8 filter because of the shutter speed, letting in less light. Had to lower the ND filter, but this is coming to an end right now, and I'd appreciate your input. Thank you.